Some women never chase men because they've mastered one of the oldest tricks in dark psychology. A trick so cruel, so quiet, and so invisible that most men don't even see it happening until it's too late. Until they've already lost power. Until they're already on their knees, begging. Not for love, not for attention, but for control they already gave away. This tactic is called withdrawal, and it's not what you think. She doesn't storm out. She doesn't end things. She doesn't slam the door and vanish. No, withdrawal is softer, smarter, and much deadlier. It starts slow. She takes away the affection you got used to. She stops texting first. She delays her replies. She avoids your touch a little sooner than before. Piece by piece, she pulls back, until one day you realize the warmth you depended on is gone. And here's where psychology takes over. Your mind is not built for this. You are wired to fear loss more than you value gain. Scientists call it loss aversion. Losing what you already have feels twice as painful as gaining something new feels good. So when she withdraws, your brain doesn't see it as a small shift, it sees danger. It feels like abandonment, and that panic drives you into her trap. You overthink, you replay every word you said, you reach harder, give more, chase stronger, and before you know it, you're begging. Begging for her time, begging for her smile, begging for the affection she deliberately took away. But here's the darkest truth. She knows. Whether she's aware of it or not, she can feel the power in her silence. Because every time you beg, you confirm her control works. You prove that you're the one who needs to chase. And the more you chase, the more your value collapses in her eyes. Because in her world, desperation is not attractive. It kills desire. It kills respect. So how do you break free? How do you flip the game? The answer is simple, but brutal. You stop playing. You stop begging. You stop chasing. You let the silence sit. You let the distance breathe. Because dark psychology teaches this. Control only works if the victim accepts the role. The moment you refuse to play along, the entire game collapses. The glowing heart she dangled in front of you to keep you running suddenly dims, and for the first time she feels the loss. And that's when the tables turn. She wonders why you didn't react. She wonders why her silence didn't break you. She wonders why you didn't beg like every other man. And slowly the control flips. Because when you stop chasing, she starts. This is the truth most men never hear. Obedience never earns respect. Begging doesn't build love. It builds chains. And the more you bow, the more they expect you to stay bowed. But the moment you rise, the game ends. The crown falls, and respect returns. Now you know the trick. The question is, when she pulls away again, will you fall into the trap and beg? Or will you finally flip the game?